So this here is the old Intertherm electric furnace from Project House. It finally got tore out. We can actually see it really good now. Central electric furnace for mobile modular residential installations. 17 kilowatt from 1992. Where's that serial number at? Well, I know it's original to the house. 57,000 BTUs. For upflow, downflow, installation only, Nordine. Good old Nordine. This thing is rusty. Here's the electrical compartment where the heat strips are. 10.8 kW at 240. These are the heat sequencers that cut the strips on. And it's a transformer, 24 volt low voltage transformer. Got the Molex connector. And on these old furnaces, they don't have a circuit board like the new ones. They had a fuse bank. And those fuses right there, I speak from experience because I have multiple furnaces similar to this. Those fuses like to blow when the air filters get clogged up. And yeah, those are the heat sequencers. Well, these are the heat sequencers. This is a limit switch, and I do believe that's a limit switch too. I know this is a limit switch because you see right there it says L145F. That's a limit, 145 degrees Fahrenheit. So if the heat strips were to stay on and the blower not run, if that gets up to 145 degrees, that limit's going to kill power to the heat strips. Yeah, those are the heat sequencers. Look here, we have a bunch of rust down in there. And here's what heat strips look like for those who've never seen them before. The best way I can describe an electric furnace is think of it as a giant toaster with a blower in it. Let me see if I can get over here. We can look at the blower. There's the nice looking capacitor. Looks pretty good. That's the old electric furnace. And over here we still have the Coleman AC unit and the original Coleman coil. I've yet to tear them apart at the time of this video. Took the fan grill off because I want to keep it. I have plans for this unit. Then I had to end up replacing the original hot water heater, which was no surprise because this thing is full of rust. It was actually leaking too. So, Intertherm water heater, Intertherm furnace, both got ripped out at the same time. It was quite a day too. Oh, there's the serial number. It's actually from 1991. 10 of 91, and the house was built in 4 of 92, I do believe, April of 92. Anyways, here's a fun game. We can play a guessing game, I should say. Write in the comments section below, what unit did I go back with? It's a package unit, that's all I'm going to say. But what unit did I go back with? As always, see you in the next video. Bye for now.